Okay, so here's how you can create a private match in Black Ops 6. So first click on multiplayer down here to find the match, and now you have the options of the game modes. So first you have the quick play, the featured game modes, and down here training course, and our option the private match. Click on private match and then on the top right on create private match. Now you have to wait like 15 seconds to have these three options as well. As you can see, the server is connecting, now waiting for the host. Now you can set up the game mode, for example, team deathmatch. We want to play kill order, the map, skyline, and game rules like 45 minutes to test out things, and the points, the score limit as well. Match start 15 seconds, and that's right for the moment. Now go back, and here you can invite some friends to play custom with friends, or you can add some bots as well. Right under the option to add some bots, you can choose the difficulty. Then click on confirm, and now you have to press play, and the game will start with 5 bots right now. Now you can select your weapon class and you can play. Right now we have all 5 bots in our team, so we can just click on team swapping, and now I'm in the opposite team. So I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a subscription and click here if you want to level way faster in Black Ops 6.